Guys, I have a very important message for you guys. Guys, the devil is starting to stop us because inside of us, guys, there's something. There's something that we need to release in this world because the church needs this. We are like a pregnant woman. Pregnant woman who is in labor have a difficulty, guys, because the body now starts to contract and the child inside the body of the woman needs to be released. But we can't release this, guys, if we don't push. We need to push, guys, on the right time. Don't use your strength in other stuff that distracts us. We need to focus on the thing that's important. So when the woman that is going to deliver a baby, they need to focus on their breathing. When you focus on your breathing, guys, you have enough energy to push later when you need to push. Because, guys, if we are distracted with other things that is not important, we are using our energy, we're using the resource that we got, we're using the air that we got in the wrong way. Because, guys, we need this air later so that when the time comes that we need to push, we have energy. We have energy, guys. Because, guys, inside of us, there's something. We need to birth this so that the church, so that the people of God will receive this, so that the people will benefit from this. But if we don't release this, guys, the child will be unborn. The child will not be released. The purpose that inside of you will not be released. So you need to release this, guys. Because if you release this, guys, people will benefit. Guys, don't believe the devil. What he's saying to you is a lie. If he said you cannot achieve these things, don't believe it. Believe what God says. He says you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Don't believe the enemy, guys. Because, guys, it's like this, guys. We are going to a path where God wants to lead us. And the devil is trying to put some obstacles in front of us. He's trying to change our mind. Like, you don't go there because it's hard. You don't go there because you don't have strength. You don't go there because it's difficult. But, guys, believe what God says. Trust in God, because you can go through everything if you have God with you. But if you believe the devil, you will now sway away. If you believe the devil and then now you follow him instead of following God. But, guys, I tell you the truth. If you follow the voice of Jesus, if you follow his word, you will end up in a good place, guys. Because here, guys, now I'm having difficulty uploading videos here on YouTube. Because, guys, I said I want to upload videos every single day. But now I'm distracted. Instead of giving the message, now I'm distracted to making the video perfect. But, guys, even though it's not perfect, you need to release it, guys. Because the people who is watching you, the people who is listening, the people who is following you, guys, will benefit from this. But if you're focused on making things perfect instead of releasing what God wants you to be released, you will be distracted. Instead of the people eating the fruits that you have planted from before, and now it will be taken away. A pregnant woman didn't start when they are already in their 9 months, when they are about to deliver the baby. They started in day one. See here, guys, in day one, there's inside of you. But this inside of you, guys, it grows slowly. You need to take care of it. You need to nurture it, because the devil wants to take this away from you. Like the people who want to abort their child. The enemy take the opportunity from them. Inside of you, you have a purpose. You need to give birth of this purpose, and you need to protect this, because the devil wants to take it away from you. Because, guys, if you release this, a lot will benefit. So you must take care the purpose that God gave to you. But, guys, if you listen to the distraction, if you listen to the obstacles, if you listen to the difficulties, you will lose it. But, guys, you need to focus on God. If you focus on God, He will guide you so that you can birth this baby, so that this delivery will be successful, so that it will be not taken away like the people who abort their child. Inside of them, there's a gift of God, but they decide that the enemy will take it away from them. But, guys, we will not listen to the enemy. We will take care of this baby. Maybe you have a gift inside you that you don't know yet. You need to connect to God, because He will tell you what is the purpose that He intended you to be. Because every one of us here, guys, in the world has a purpose. But not everyone is taking the purpose. Not everyone knows their purpose. Not everyone knows the step to achieve their purpose. But I tell you, guys, there's only one who knows our purpose. He's our creator because he created us for a purpose. Like this apartment. This apartment was created for a purpose. To create the purpose of this apartment so that a person or a family can live in this house. But guys, if we follow the devil, what he says, we will be distracted with the purpose that God gave us. Instead now of hearing what the voice of the shepherd, now we're hearing other voice. But guys, I tell you the truth. A sheep follows the voice of the shepherd. So we cannot. So now we are like this, guys. No one can hear the devil now. We only hear what Jesus said. We only hear what God said. Don't be distracted anymore from the noise, from the distraction of the evil one, but focus on what God says. God says that his sheep knows his voice. His sheep will not be taken away from him. His sheep will be saved because he laid down his life for his sheep. But guys, it's like this, guys. There's a lot of lost sheep. Those lost sheep, guys, doesn't know yet the truth. But we know the truth. We need to share the truth. Because if we share the truth, and they will be enlightened, because we are like a small light. We are a small light in front of them. And then we will say to them, don't go here, go here. Don't follow the devil, but follow Jesus. And see here, because the bigger light is coming, the biggest light is coming, the light of this world is coming back again to judge the living and the dead. So here, guys, this is my message for you guys. This is a very raw video. I will not edit so much because I don't want to make it perfect. I want to send this to you very fast as soon as possible. So guys, see you again to my next video, okay? Bye-bye.